Do you want to know how to change WordPress admin email and user email? Then watch this video till the end. Hello friends, in this video I will change the admin email and user email of my WordPress. You need to log into your dashboard. After that you need to go to settings and you need to click on this first option, journal. Scroll down. Herein you will get administration email address. This is my email address and you can personally contact me if you want and you can get in touch with me. So if you want to change your email, then you can type anything. And scroll down and click on save changes. After that you will get a verification mail on this email ID that you can simply verify it. Make sure that to verify your email. After that you need to go to users and click on all users. Scroll down, you can see this is my email ID. You need to click on edit. You can change your user email ID from here. You can type anything, like I will change like this. So if you change this, you will receive email verification again on the email ID. So confirm it. Verification is very important. You can then reset the password from here as well, and you can click on update profile. So it is very easy. I hope now you will be able to change admin email and user email for your WordPress. So in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. Bye bye friends, take care.